Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Also download our free Android app FinCalC to calculate your income taxes and track on monthly basis. It is almost the end of financial year and you guys must be saving and investing your money in different tax saving schemes. One of the least known tax saving option is House Rent Allowance. In this video, we are going to see how much HRA you can claim from your salary as deduction to reduce your income tax. House Rent Allowance or HRA is the allowance granted by employers for employees to meet their house rent expenses. How much HRA a person can claim depends on his or her salary. You can claim HRA and save income tax only if you are staying in a rented accommodation. If the rent paid by you exceeds Rs 1 lakh in the financial year, PAN card of your landlord needs to be submitted to claim HRA. So these were some of the things you should know before calculating the HRA that you can claim to save income tax. Let us now see how you can calculate HRA to save your income tax. Your salary is a crucial component that is used to calculate HRA. The least of the following will be considered as HRA: the amount received as HRA from your employer, actual rent paid minus 10% of your basic salary, 50% of your basic salary if you stay in a metro city, or 40% of your basic salary if you stay in a non-metro city. So as you can see, you need to gather information about your basic salary, HRA received from your employer which you can get from your pay slips, actual rent paid by you, and the location where you stay in rented accommodation. Let us now see the calculation process with the help of an example. Let us say you pay a rent of Rs 10,000 per month, which is equal to Rs 1,20,000 per year. Your basic salary and dearness allowance is Rs 30,000 per month, which makes it equal to Rs 3,60,000 per year. HRA received by you is Rs 13,000 per month, which makes it equal to Rs 1,56,000 per year. The least of following three components will be considered. HRA provided by the company is Rs 1,56,000 in the year. Actual rent paid per year minus 10% of basic salary will be Rs 1,20,000 minus Rs 36,000, which is equal to Rs 84,000. 50% of your basic salary is Rs 1,80,000 if you are living in a metro city. So as you can see, Rs 84,000 is the least amount out of all three, and the HRA amount that will be exempted from income tax will be Rs 84,000 out of Rs 1,56,000 that you have received from your employer as HRA. This is the way you can calculate the HRA amount that can be exempted from your income tax. One important point to note is, if you are living with your parents, you can pay them rent and claim HRA in the financial year provided you have rent receipts and bank account transfer transaction receipts. But this is not applicable in case you pay rent to your spouse. So this is one way you can save income tax with the help of your family and also help them financially. For more information, follow our blog fincalc-blog.blogspot.com. Download a free Android app FinCalC to calculate your income tax. The links are in the description section. Stay tuned. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Also download our free Android app FinCalC to calculate your income taxes and track on monthly basis.